So yeah, after running my download script, I downloaded all of them into the output folder on my local machine, and here is the final result. So this is basically the final sort of heat map. It's done with a Plotly library that works with Pandas data frame. So from Spark data frame, I converted it to Pandas data frame and managed to visualize it. It's a pretty cool visualization. It shows you how the visa issues changes with the year, and you can actually, yeah, you even have a slider you can play on. You can push on play button and it shows you. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's start with 2006 to 2017, and it shows that the number of yearly visa issued by countries changes to China. So China becomes the country that gets the most visas for Japan. Remember, this is the host country is Japan. The dataset is CSV file from the Japanese website. So yeah, it shows you how at first it was India, it was America, and now it's mostly China, because China is basically the country that gets the most visas to visit Japan. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna add all of this stuff to my GitHub for you to replicate.